Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Pim with Corey, Pimpless Design channel. So guys, if you are starting Dynamo, one of the major problem and the first problem that we face is how do we actually bring Revit elements into Dynamo. So I am using Revit 2024 version, and guys, you can open Dynamo from going to the Manage tab here and then clicking on the Dynamo. Dynamo workspace will be opened. So I have opened my Dynamo workspace already. So how do we actually bring Revit elements into Dynamo? There are multiple selection nodes, but each behave differently. So each node acts differently. Today we will cover some of the manual selection nodes and build mini examples. So what are selection nodes? Selection nodes are used to bring Revit elements into Dynamo. And guys, please note one of the most important thing is that without selection, no automation can start. Like for creating any Dynamo script, you need the element, and for getting the element in Dynamo, you need to select it. So today we will cover number of selection nodes. So the first and the most important selection node is select model element. It selects one single element of the Dynamo. So this basically shows a warning as no element is selected, and I have turned a automatic mode here. So that is why this is showing warning. So we can select one model element. I have clicked select here, and now I have selected a wall. A single element is selected. So basically guys, this node is used to select only one single element, and the other node select model elements. So see, it has elements. So we can select number of elements using this node. So I've just clicked select here and number of elements are selected. Okay, so here we can also select different elements by category. So let's just select model elements by category. So guys, you can see that there are number of elements like the walls and like the doors, but I only need the walls to get selected. So I am choosing a category walls here, and I can simply select the walls. See, I have opened the selection window, but it only selected the walls. Okay, and also I can select a single element by category also. Select element by category. Select model element by category. So I am adding just category wall here, and see, I can just select a single wall. So this node works. Okay, so guys, using these four nodes, I have selected the elements using like my choice that I want to select the elements using or from this field. Now there are a number of nodes that we can also use are all elements of category. Or like see, there are a number of nodes also to select like all elements of class, all elements of category, all elements at level, all elements of family type, all elements of the active view. So let's first see all elements of category. I just need to add a category here. So this requires the input category. Basically, I need to select the category from number of categories. So I will write here categories. So I got the node for category. I can connect this node here, and I can tell the category. Like this time I want to select the doors instead of the walls. See, so this node works, and there are 12 doors in the model. So it basically gives the type name of the doors. Okay. So guys, if I want to select all the walls that are visible in this level 0 view, I can use the node all elements of category in view. So I just want to like select this from here. So I am copy pasting this node. Like this requires the input category, so we can connect this here. And view. So this also requires an input, like we need to select a view from the number of views. So see, okay, so this basically gives a list of the views. So see, this is the view called level 0. I hope there is a view called level 0. So see, clicking on here, it shows this is a floor plan view. Okay, so I have connected this node here and it has worked. So see, there are number of 12 doors that are visible in this view. We can also like manually check this in Revit. Like we can filter and see how much doors. So see, there are only 12 doors. So the script worked right. So guys, that is all for today. In my next tutorial, I will tell you about some more dynamic selection nodes. So guys, if you liked my tutorial, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.